If you're frequently needing to descale your coffee machine, this video will hopefully help solve this problem. Now this one is the Gran Lattissima DeLonghi coffee machine, but this may help with other models of coffee machine. Now firstly, you'll need a test strip which will test the water hardness. Now that came with the user manual of this one. It's already been used, so I don't have it available, but I'll leave some links if you don't have one of these test strips in the description below, where you can use that to test your water hardness level, because that's the most important thing, is to know the water hardness, because how these usually are shipped is with the water hardness being at the maximum level. The reason why it's done at the maximum level is because they don't know the quality of your water, and they do actually need to be descaled correctly because the minerals in the water can block up the machine. So if you know your water hardness is soft or less than quite hard water, this video will show you how to change the settings on the machine to make the hardness the correct level, so you're not descaling as regularly if it's not necessary. But I must stress, if it is necessary, you should stick with the higher setting and descale it very regularly. So what we need to do first is turn on the machine. As you can see, that's turned on. Now we need to hold in flat white and hot milk at the same time, and then you'll see these lights up the top light up when it's ready. So let's hold in these two. As you can see, they're flashing and ready to go. Now to enter the menu to do the water hardness, we click cappuccino. Now if you don't do anything, it will go out of this mode after about 30 seconds. So let's click cappuccino. Now because the water that I have here is very soft, I've got it on the softest setting. Otherwise the hardest setting is cafe latte. So it goes in this order: softest, next softest, next softest, and it follows that sort of pattern there. Now you just match it up based on how soft your water level is. As I said, I've got it on the softest setting, so that will mean I get I don't have to descale my coffee machine as frequently. One other thing to note is you have to make sure that the milk container is not in the spot. So milk container usually goes in here, but that has to be detached before you hold in the two buttons here to get it into that menu. So just repeating that again: flat white, hot milk, hold that in, and the buttons on top will flash. And then it's clicking cappuccino, and then you choose your water hardness setting based on softest to hardest. And they're all shipped. You'll find yours, when you do this, will be on the hardest setting for water, which means that you'll be descaling very frequently. You probably notice it might be about maybe 40 cups, but each machine is roughly different depending on what model you have. But yes, this will be the most amount of descaling you need to do and the least amount of descaling you need to do. But make sure you test the water first, because if you choose the wrong setting, it may clog up your machine with minerals. Anyway, that shows you how to change the water hardness setting on your coffee machine. As I said, I'll leave the description below with some links for the water softness testers. And hopefully that helps, and thanks for watching.